What you want to do is get a valve stem remover. Get all that air out. Okay, now I've got the tire set up in the vise, and I'm gonna squeeze it. Like, you have to break the seal around here. I'm losing air pressure in this one, so I'll show you guys how to take this apart, and then I'll show you how to reseal it, basically rebead it. Take any kind of lubricant and just spray around here. Take my hammer and basically put it down here like this against the vise and that seal, and then I'm just gonna pry at it. This one took quite a bit of working because I guess water's gotten into the tire. Basically, that seal became rusted, and that's probably why it's losing air pressure too. So now I've got it flipped over to the other side, and I've got to break this bead as well. That wasn't real hard. It looks like whoever had this tire before had put in some kind of tar around here or something to seal this. I'm gonna change it over to these to the original rims. Now I've got a pickle fork, and I'm gonna pry in between here and the rim, and get that spread out, popped over the rim. Okay, now I've got my hammer. I'm going to put it over here, and I'm going to just kind of work that rim. Work that tire up over that rim. And at this point, we should be able to just pry it out with our fingers. Just pull the rim from here. No problem, I've got plenty of lubricant. That's what all that shiny stuff is. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll show you guys how to rebead this tire. We're in business. Make sure that these beads, these sides right here, are super clean, the best you can. I'm gonna get this rim inside it, or the tire over the rim, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to rebead this. Okay, I've got the one side on the rim. Now I just have to work this slowly around each one of these sides until the whole tire's on the rim. Now that was a little challenging, but you can do it. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my best to get this seated on one side, on the bottom side of it. Actually, I'm gonna do it on this side so it doesn't burn up my valve stem. And basically what I'm gonna do is just split up through this side, just so that it's kind of close to it and snug. After that, I'm using brake parts cleaner, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just spray it around the rim like this. Set you a little trail like that. Okay, now did you hear that? And I've got the valve stem still out of it, so it didn't melt up, but now what we'll do is put air pressure in it. Now what you do is just take your valve stem, after you put like 25 pounds of pressure in it to get it to seal on the beads inside the rim, and then you just take your valve stem, put it back in, okay, and then you air it up. But the operating pressure on this is only like 5.5 pounds, so, but we're in business.